Hi everyone, good morning. Today is day 4. Although I had missed one day before now, day 4 is supposed to be a rest day in the challenge, but then because I had missed one day before I started, I had to do day 5 as day 4, right? So today is day 5 in the challenge, if you get what I mean, okay? It's getting really intense, although it's the same routine from the last one I did, but then again it's getting more intense. I'm feeling it now more. I'll put some clips in the video so you can also see how it went. And thank you very much for the support. I see your comments, I see everything. I'm grateful. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.